Hello YouTube. So this video here is gonna be just me trying to fix my steer drive pump. So I have it right now unconnected here. And first of all, if you ever get in a boat ramp coming back from a a trip out of the like in the lake, and if your steer drive doesn't go up, you may have to do some quick tips on how to pull this up so you can drive back to your home and then fix the issue. So the easy fix is really to unbolt, or actually not unbolt, but you got a pin that goes here, and this holds the rod right here. So this is the piston that moves the steer drive up and down. So I hope that this video helped you to quickly figure out what to do if you're stuck, if your steer drive is stuck in the lower position and you're pulling your boat out of in the boat ramp. You need a quick solution. Just take those two pins out, raise the steer drive, strap them up, and you're good to go, right? So I'm just using this clip as an alternative, a quick video to get to the solution you need right there in the boat ramp. I will be doing a much longer video on how to fix the issue. So stay tuned for more. Consider, subscribing, like or dislike. This is supposed to be a quick way to look into and get it done, okay? In the other video, I will show you, everything you gotta do to fix this issue.